an exercise called Spine Stretch Forward. So for this one, you want your legs out straight in front of you. And if you're struggling, if you feel like you're sitting back like this, then I suggest bending the knees a little bit. And as you get more flexible, you'll be able to straighten your knees more and more. What's important is that you start sitting up straight. You don't start slouching because it's not going to help you. Okay. So today I'm feeling pretty tight, so I'm going to bend my knees a little bit, but I'm going to flex my feet. Reach your arms straight out in front. Start to curl your chin to your chest. Now you're thinking about bringing the crown of your head down towards the floor, right in between the knees. It's impossible. And then you're going to roll your spine back up again. Back is straight, curl chin to chest, keep going. So this is more complicated. It's not the word I'm looking for. There's more layers to this exercise than just stretching the back of your legs. Right? So if you really nail this first part, curling chin to chest, you might experience all these different stretches up in your spine. It's called the spine stretch. Okay, wiggle around a little bit, sit up a little taller. Let's do that one more time. Arms stay at shoulder height. Okay, hold here. Maybe you can go a little bit deeper. And then you're going to restack the spine and relax your arms.